What is up guys, today we will be talking about if you guys can fix the airplane mode thing on the Monopoly Go. Well, as we know that before that people were doing is what some sort of glitch where they will just turn on the airplane mode and they were able to roll dices and earn rewards. However, now this thing is gone because Monopoly Go has patched it. Official Monopoly Go has patched it and you are not allowed to do this anymore. Even if you try to do it, it won't work. However, there are some things which you can try and might work. First things first, just try reinstalling the Monopoly Go app. Just remove the app and install it again. This might fix it. However, if it still doesn't work, just try to use a VPN or a virtual private network. So there are a lot of free VPNs. Just go to App Store, search for VPN. You will be able to find some of the free VPNs. Just download any of it, try to turn it on, and after that just try doing this airplane thing and it might work. However, working of these have like 10 to like 5% chances, and this is not guaranteed that it will work because they have actually patched it and I don't think it will work. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.